In this video, we draw a line graph. Before watching this video, you should watch the video on drawing a bar graph, as it deals with some of the basics of how to handle data. You can click on the link now to see it.
This video is made by MediaWorks, South Africa's foremost provider of adult education. Visit www.mediaworks.co.za for more information on our computer-assisted and face-to-face learning programs.
The kind of graph we make depends on the data that we are having. In the example that we have the distance traveled by a car over a certain period of time. So this graph calls for a line graph. The convention is we must always have time in hours on the x-axis and the distance on the y-axis. We are going to look at the highest frequency that we have. Here it is 560. It's going to determine how far we are going to go with our y-axis. Right. So let's plot the hours first. We have 1 hour here, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, and 6 hours there. The distance that was traveled, let's plot it on this side at 100-kilometer intervals. So we have 1 there, 0, 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 300, 400, 500, and 600. Right. So within the first hour, the distance traveled was 100 kilometers. So it means we are going to look for a point where the two intersect. Then we mark it. After 2 hours, they had covered 210. So it's slightly above 200. So we are going to mark the point as this one. After 3 hours, is 330 kilometers, which is slightly above 300. And we put a mark there. 4th hour, 420, slightly above 400. 5th hour is 470 kilometers. 470 must be slightly below 500. 5th hour. And the 6th hour is 560, which is way above. So we are going to join those points to determine our graph. So that is the line graph, which shows the distance that was traveled over a period of 6 hours.